What are first principles in souvenir photography? If your photo team is simply copying what another attraction does, it's time to pause. Not because their system is wrong, but because it might not be right for your guest. And that's where first principles thinking comes in. Instead of adopting someone else's strategy by default, this approach challenges us to strip everything down to the core truths. We ask, why do guests actually purchase souvenir photos? Here's one of the truths. Guests don't purchase because we ask them to. They purchase because the experience mattered to them, because they felt proud, seen, and connected, and they wanted to remember and share that feeling. So, when a product or experience underperforms, the solution isn't always trying to tweak the product itself. Instead, we ask better questions grounded in first principles. Was the moment emotionally meaningful? Did we tie it to something the guest truly values? Did we present the offer clearly and at the right time in their journey? That's why we developed the GAPS framework. Guests, approach, photography, presentation, and sales. It gives teams a way to understand and influence the guest journey through areas that matter most, helping them solve real issues at the root instead of just treating symptoms. Now, first principle thinking gives you a clarity. It removes assumptions and leads experiences that are more meaningful and more consistent and more profitable. If you want to start applying these principles at your attraction or with your photo team, click the link in the video description to learn more about the GAPS framework.